how to quickly search for your tracks in Ableton Live and have them automatically selected quick and easy. Hi, I'm Toby from abletondrummer.com, and I have this Max for Live tool for you, which you can just place on your main track or anywhere where you like. You have a pop-up window which you can make really big, so you could even have this on a second screen, for example, and then you could just start typing. So for example, if you look, and I have quite a big set here, and maybe I'm looking for a mic track here, and I just type in mic and it finds the right track and automatically select this. So maybe let's do this with drum again, because here you can see all the different tracks which are having drum in there are now showing up, and if I select those, they automatically get selected. So let's say, and that's really interesting as well, let's say we want to look for a track which is in a group track. Let's say this Balz track here. So it is grouped now, the track which the Balz track is in, so you can't easily select this, you can't even see this, so we could actually just fold all the tracks. I actually have a device for that, which might not be released when you're seeing that, but I have an unfold and fold and fold automate folding and opening group tracks device as well. So where was it? It was here, the Balz track. So I show you, if I now type in B-E-L, and because Balz is going to be the first one which is going to be selected here, it automatically opens the track, the group track. This is in here. So let's do this once more, Balz. So you can see when this track gets automatically selected, because it's the one which is showing up here, it automatically opens the group it is in. Okay, so this is a Max for Live device. Max for Live is needed to make use of this. The compatibility downwards always is listed on the different product selling pages, but this will work in 12, 11 and 10, but you would need Max for Live, which is included in Ableton Live Suite, or can be bought as an add-on towards Ableton Live Standard. So you can just quickly even key map those buttons here and do the X here as well. Yes, so you can open this up. If we are in Ableton Live, you can open this up, go in here, type something in, something, I don't have a track with something, lead master track, or 3P. And then it will select automatically the first one, and you can get the other ones here as well. And as you can see, it's automatically gonna select the right track here, depending if you're in track view or in a clip view. It should actually change this. Let's quickly check this. So if we are here, for example, and let's put in 3P again, I have to click on the window, boom, boom, and it's selecting the same view you are already in. So if you're in track view, it will list you and show you all the devices. If you are in clip view, and if you have a clip on the currently selected scene, it will show you the clip here as well. I have a clip search and select device here as well, and I have a scene search and select device here as well. So yes, just follow the link in the video description here, or head over to abletondrummer.com to find out more about this or other Max for Live devices. Take care, bye bye.